Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Roblox error code 268Kicked due to unexpected client behavior. So while playing Roblox and you encounter this error message, then I suggest try restarting your Windows first by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, and if restarting works for you, then good. But if not, move to the next methods. Then we can also temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then try on disabling that temporarily. Click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar and you'll find that from here. So in my case, I'm using Malwarebytes. Just make a right click and then select quit and then click on the Windows security icon. In here, you need to look for virus and threat protection. Then you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Then turn off the real-time protection. And after that, you need to launch the Roblox player. Then just simply click on sign in. So let me just sign in quickly. Then here you need to continue enjoying the game. So for the next method is we can also, but before going on to the next method, we need to enable again the Windows security because this is a very important security for our Windows. So once you have opened the game, then you need to re-enable it again from here. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. It's ip config space forward slash flush DNS. Then hit enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset. Then hit enter. The next command, ip config space forward slash release. Hit enter. And for the last command, ip config space forward slash renew. Hit enter. Then type exit. Hit enter. And then restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Roblox app. Then we also need to clear the browser cookies and cache. So bring up your Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match. Then here, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on settings. Then here you need to click on privacy and security and then scroll down and you'll find delete browsing data. Click on that. You have basic and advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, check that. Download history, check that. Cookies and other site data, check that. Cached images and files, check that. Size settings, check that. Hosted updated, check that. But do not check passwords and other sign-in data in the autofill form data. And finally, click on delete data. Then click on Reset Settings on the left pane. Click on it. Do not worry, this will not remove your saved passwords, history, and bookmarks. Click on Reset Settings and then close this. Then we can also reinstall the application. So first is you need to press the Windows key and letter R button together. Type here percentage local app data percentage. Then hit enter. Then look for the Roblox folder, this one. Make a right click and then select delete. Now once done, bring up the Chrome browser or any of your favorite browser. Then simply type here Roblox download. Hit enter. Click on it under the best match or under the results, which is the first option here from www.roblox.com. Click on it. Then click on download for Windows app. Now the installer file will be downloaded. Click on it and then close the Chrome browser. And now this will reinstall Roblox into our Windows. So let's just wait for it. So from here, just simply click on sign in and enter your credentials. And then you have to enjoy the game. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.